In this video, I'll show you how to rename Deepseek chat. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational content like this. Now, if you head over to your Deepseek, you can see there are some chats here, right? If I click on the new chat, I will be adding a new chat to my to this display, right? So if you want to rename a chat, let's say you have like 3 chats on here. What you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this, right? You're going to see the rename. So I can just come on here. I can rename this. Let me say HowTo, right? And mind you, you can still add as many chats as you want, right? So you can add 10 chats, you can add 5 chats, and this is basically how you can rename chats here on Deepseek. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. If you have any questions you want to ask, ensure you do that as well below in the comment section. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.